Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own Powerpuff Girl inspired background on CapCut PC. So go to library and add in a wide stock video. It's not very important right now, but I'm just going to move it to the side. Go to canvas, go to color, and select any color of your choice here. Just turn the color wheel on, and I want like a purple color palette. Then I am going to press this one, export still frame, and press export. Make sure you select import project. Then I'm going to again select a different color, like a lighter color, like this one I guess. And then I'm going to export still frame as well, and then export. And then lastly another lighter color. So I think there's like 3 rounds of it, so I'm just gonna do that. Go to local, and oh, I did not export this one. There you go. Add in your images starting from this one, and then I'm going to put this on top. Hopefully I have free layer enabled. Yep, I do. Then on the second layer, go to mask and select the heart shape and just start building up your heart shapes, I guess. Then another heart one here, and then another one. If it gets too crowded, you can merge your layers, so just keep that in mind. And another one on top of that. Then again another one, and you're just going to keep on layering it. And again, if it's too much, just select everything first and then right click, create compound clip to merge. I'm just going to add this lastly so it doesn't take the whole day for me to finish this, but you're just going to continue going. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. I think that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!